Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Talent Ocean. In this video, we discuss about career skills course offered by Johar Knowledge Center, popularly known as JKC, of Commissionerate of Collegiate Education in collaboration with Tata Consultancy Services. The course name is Career Edge Knock Down the Lockdown. It is designed in such a way that you can make best use of the lockdown to gain skill sets demanded by the industry, and at the end of the course, after assessment, you will get certificate which adds value to your resume. Let us check how to register the course. Open the Chrome, type apcce.gov.in. So here click on JKC TCS ION Career Skills course. It will lead to TCS ION web portal. So here this website asks for the cookies to accept. So this is our course, Career Edge Knock Down the Lockdown. The duration of the session is 2 weeks, and you need to spend 12 hours in a week. So here we have total 14 modules. After 14 modules, on 15th day you will be having final assessment. After that you will be given a certificate. So to register, we need to click on subscribe. So if you are already a registered user, you can give the email ID and password. Since we are new user, we have to press on create account. Click on learner, give the full name, give the email ID, give the password. Password length should be 6 to 15 characters. At least it should have one number, one lowercase character, one uppercase character, and one special character. So keep this in mind to give the password. You need to give the phone number, but because of the network problem, sometimes you won't get the OTP. So leave this field because it is not a mandatory field. So it will ask for are you a minor? You keep it as no, and here give the captcha. And before accepting this create account, you need to check this box, terms of use. So once you tap on that box, you will get this window. It has 3 tabs. First one is privacy notice. Check this box. Then go to privacy policy. Check this box. And the next terms of use. Check this one and click on OK. So later you have to press on create account. So it will ask for the state. Select the state. Press continue. A confirmation message has come. So click on confirm. So here our dashboard is created. So click on close, and this is our dashboard. And here we have our course Career Edge knock down the lockdown, press on this right arrow. So here we have courses and batches. So click on this right arrow. This is our course. To start our course, we have to press on this launch. So here you will get the instructions. So this green circle is it should be marked as red, and three dots is the menu option. So click on OK. So these are all the instructions. So you read these instructions carefully. To go to next, tap on this green circle. So it will ask for the confirmation. Click on yes. So this is the first unit. The unit name is improve interpersonal skills for better results. This is the course overview. So to go to next, we have to tap on this green circle. So click yes. So it will open the videos. So we have to watch the video. We should not skip the videos. After watching full video, you can click on this green arrow, which is on the right hand side. So like this you have to complete all the units. As you know that on 15th day you will be having assessment, so that you will get the valuable certificate. Hope all of you will register and utilize this opportunity. Thank you very much, friends.